Is that Andrew? Andrew! Alright, fuck. Now I gotta turn. What is he doing? Shit. Hey, I'm gonna get right here. No, me. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go right here, okay? That was awkward. He's like, yeah, me go up here? Thanks. This guy right here is trying to sell us a motorcycle tire. He said it's brand new. It's a 19-inch. It'll fit your bike. $10, brand new. And he's like, it's for a Harley Davidson. It'll fit. I told him, how am I supposed to carry it? He's like, I just live 2 blocks away. I'll bring it over here. Okay, how am I gonna get it home? All right, let's ride this 2015 R300. See how this goes. This is really low. Holy crap. I thought my bike was on the low side, but like my knees are bent. I'm almost in a sitting position as if I was on a chair. It's pretty crazy. Oops, my bad. This got some quick pickup. Surprised. And a shift light, that's pretty cool. Wow. It's pretty comfortable too. It's upright. About the same as mine, really. Huh. This little thing feels great. Revs up to 13. I like this. It's really comfortable. I mean, it's so low. It's just be great for a chick. I don't think a chick would have any problem flat-footing it. Yeah, don't hit the pedestrians. Yeah, this is my first time riding the CBR600RR, and the speedometer doesn't work. Oh man, this is crazy. This is my dream bike. This is what I want to get after my 500 is 600RR. I don't know what year yet. I don't know. Something newer or older with lower miles. I'm good with either. Oh man, this is crazy. How the fuck? This is like a whole new fucking ball game, taking corners like this. Wow. It's so quick, and I'm only at 6,000 RPMs. Oh my god. No idea how fast I'm going though. Not, I don't know, maybe like 50, 40, 50. I don't think that red light's supposed to be on. Oh wow. The leaning is just so different from the 500. This actually feels better to lean on. Like, I'm not used to it at all, but I like the way it feels. Oh boy, that's fucking crazy. Wow. just fucking takes off. Holy shit. Wow, man. Can't wait till I get mine. Everything is in, I don't know, the shifter is in a different position, so that's hard. I can't shift fast yet. Like, my foot doesn't know where anything is. And then the hand controls are pretty much the same on my bike, except for I'm at a different angle, so there's no muscle memory there. Too fast, it's not my bike, and I do not know this road at all. This is so fun. Okay. Holy shit. It like fucking pulls you off of your seat. Oh man. It doesn't feel like a turbocharged car though. I mean, that pullback is crazy, but I was literally just sliding off of my seat. I was not expecting that at all. That was fucking awesome. Oh, fuck. I know what I'm going to be dreaming about tonight, for sure. I definitely would not feel comfortable trying to wheelie this thing. Like, obviously I'm not going to, it's not my bike or anything, but yeah, compared to mine, like, I feel comfortable enough on there to attempt it. On this, no fucking way. Like, not even a little bit. Dude, I just have this like real good feeling of bliss right now. I just feel so good. Between riding my dream bike, riding with friends today, I don't know. It just feels good, man. I'm glad that these people are part of my community. I'm part of their community.